much to see with me and my family. We've had our ups and downs. Can nothing stop us now? 'Cause we stay strong. The world can separate us. It's amazing we're blessed to be this beautiful family. This beautiful family.
What's good, Templeton family? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new, make sure you go on over, hit the subscribe button, join the family. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications so you get alerts when we post another video. So today, what we doing today?
Today is game day and we're making tacos.
So today we're making chicken street tacos. See right here, we have 2 pounds of chicken breast, along with some salsa, 2 packs of taco seasoning. Also, along with this, we will be adding some cilantro and onion. And so yeah, this is for game day, y'all. Yes, guys, we're having this for game day. This is hubby's favorite, y'all. He loves tacos. So we set the crock pot for 6 hours, guys, and then it will be done. So I will keep y'all updated. Hi guys, so it's been roughly 4 hours since we put the tacos in. This is what it looks like now. We have another 2 hours to go and then it'll be ready. So this is what it looks like, guys, and we're gonna chop it up real fine once it's finished. Okay, so I want to tell you guys that we do have our Vlogtober intro, and I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna put the clip in this video. And let me know you like it. It's not all that, y'all, so don't be looking for something all extra. But this is just our intro just for this month, guys. So okay, so now that the chicken is finished, what I'm going to do next is shred it up. Shred the chicken, break them up real fine, and then I'm gonna let the chicken soak in the juices for an hour. Just break it up. This. I get another fork. All right, guys. So this is what the chicken looks like. All chopped up. This is how it looks, y'all. Now I'm about to put the onion and cilantro. Okay, so here's the cilantro. Now I'm about to chop the onions, y'all. Oh, I'm about to cry. Da, 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 da.
I've been under my bed forever now.
Woo! My eyes are burning. Guys, I finished chopping the onions, but my eyes burning. Okay, guys, the onions are chopped in the cilantro. Show you how we're gonna make this taco. So what we have here in this bowl is the salsa verde, and then we have just the regular mild salsa. Hey y'all, so since this sauce right here is way too hot for the girls, we're just gonna give them this mild sauce right here. So first, we're gonna take some chicken. Let me put this top over here. So you're gonna take some chicken, and it don't take much. Some chicken. Here. Now, turn on this side. We're gonna add the, I guess, a little bit of cilantro on both. Onion. little bit of sauce. That's that. Now I'm making mine. I'm putting the meat, cheese, cilantro, onion, and I'm gonna add the salsa verde. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be spicy. Oh my gosh. Only a little bit I should put it there, right? But I love sauce. I love sauce. And I'm gonna put the red sauce. And there it is, y'all. They so tiny. They so good. Good. Y'all, so I'm about to eat my third taco. So I'm just gonna show y'all what cheese that we use. And I'm about to try this one on it. So this one is good with this. But I'm about to try this cheese and this Italian cheese. I think it's gonna be good either way. Good. Okay guys, so this is all the stuff we have right here. And we are finished.
Oh my god, you can put it right here.
Oh my gosh. She just, oh, what?
She said she's gonna eat it for later.
Oh my goodness. So I'm about to spray. I want some enough to bring in my eye. Oh man. It's funny. Well guys, I just finished cutting the onion. My eyes are burning. Alright guys, my onions are chopped really good, and so is my cilantro. Damn, my eyes are burning. Gotta cut. Wait, I can't even see the stop button. What's it? Oh, there it is.
Hey y'all, Nika's about to chug her wine. She's about to get be tipsy. Yeah.